Hey editor, there's a shift happening in the editing world that most people haven't noticed yet, and it pushed me to reshape the entire direction of what I'm building here. And I want you to see it before everyone else does. The past few weeks have been intense behind the scenes. I've been creating the new blueprint from scratch, expanding the academy with new material, strengthening the core lessons, and improving the clarity of how I teach editing psychology. While doing all that, something became obvious. This community isn't just learning skills anymore. It's moving towards a higher standard for what an editor can be. You can tell it's starting. So, here's where I'm taking things next. My intention is to become the most trusted editing educator in the space and build something that lasts for the next decade. That means raising the expectations for how editing is taught, how breakdowns are explained, and how clearly the path to high income is laid out. The industry is changing fast, and the people who understand the deeper mechanics of editing are going to be the ones who stand out. I want this community to be ahead of that curve, not reacting to it. And in January, you will see that shift show up in the content. I'll be posting weekly instead of once or twice a month. Same level of depth, same quality, but now with a pace of consistency that will push the entire momentum forward. More breakdowns, more psychology, more structure. It sets things up in a way that makes real growth feel a lot more natural. Here's what this next phase will look like. Frameworks that make the process clearer and more predictable. Breakdowns that reveal what most people overlook. Guidance on the business side that actually moves the needle. Support for the editors who want to operate at a higher level, and a community that's moving with real purpose instead of guessing. The long-term vision is straightforward. I want this to become the most valuable place online for anyone who wants to build a serious editing career. A home base for people who want to get ahead, not fall behind. Thanks for being here, by the way. This next chapter is going to set the tone for a lot of what comes after, and this is the right moment to stay close to what's being built. Y'all have a good one.